Your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting. Let's fix it, step by step.
Solution 1. Disable Wi-Fi adapter power management. This is the #1 fix, working for about 90% of cases. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. Go to the Power Management tab. Uncheck the option that says, Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK and restart your computer.
Solution 2. Update or reinstall your Wi-Fi driver. In Device Manager, expand Network Adapters. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If that does not work, right-click the adapter again and select Uninstall Device. Check the box to remove the driver, then restart your computer. Windows will reinstall the driver automatically.
Solution 3. Reset the network stack via Command Prompt. Search for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click Command Prompt and run as administrator. Type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Then type netsh int IP reset. Next, type ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew. Finally, type ipconfig/flush DNS. Restart your computer when done.
Solution 4. Check the WLAN AutoConfig service. Press Windows key +R, type Services MSC, and press Enter. Find WLAN AutoConfig in the list. Double-click it. Set Startup Type to Automatic. If the service is not running, click Start. Click Apply, then OK.
Solution 5. Forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi. Click Manage Known Networks. Select your network and click Forget. Then go back to the Wi-Fi list, select your network, and enter your password to reconnect.
Solution 6. Change your DNS server. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Wi-Fi. Click your network properties. Find DNS Server assignment and click Edit. Switch to Manual and enable IPv4. Enter 8.8.8 as the preferred DNS and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate. Click Save. Solution 7. Perform a full network reset. This is the last resort. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset, then click Reset Now. Confirm by clicking Yes. This will reinstall all network adapters, reset TCP/IP, flush DNS, and reset winsock. Your PC will need to restart.
That is all 7 fixes. Try them in order. Most people are fixed by Solution 1.
Why does Wi-Fi keep disconnecting? The most common cause is power management, where Windows turns off your Wi-Fi adapter to save energy. Other causes include outdated drivers, corrupted network settings, signal interference, router issues, or rarely a hardware problem.
Wi-Fi fixed. Subscribe and like for more tech tutorials.